The Supreme Court has officially rejected the appeal of Ghislaine Maxwell, the former associate and girlfriend of Jeffrey Epstein. The decision, announced Monday, means the court will not revisit her claim that she was unfairly prosecuted, despite a plea deal Epstein struck years ago with federal authorities in Florida. Maxwell, who is currently serving a 20-year sentence in federal prison, was convicted in 2022 for her role in grooming and sexually exploiting underage girls alongside Epstein. Her legal team had argued that Epstein's 2008 non-prosecution agreement should have protected her as well, but federal prosecutors in New York moved forward with new charges, leading to her conviction. Her attorney, David Oscar Marcus, responded to the court's decision with disappointment, saying the fight isn't over and that serious legal and factual questions still remain. He emphasized that the defense will continue exploring every possible legal avenue to ensure what they call true justice. Earlier this year, the Second Circuit Court of Appeals also ruled against Maxwell, stating clearly that Epstein's Florida plea deal did not extend to federal prosecutors in New York. The Justice Department echoed that view, telling the Supreme Court that Maxwell was never part of the Florida agreement. It applied solely to Epstein and the U.S. Attorney's Office there. Jeffrey Epstein himself pleaded guilty in 2008 to state prostitution charges and later faced federal sex trafficking indictments in 2019. He died by suicide in prison just a month after those new charges were filed. Interestingly, sources say the Justice Department met with Maxwell earlier this summer. During that meeting, she told officials she had never witnessed any inappropriate behavior between Epstein and former President Donald Trump, who had been socially linked to Epstein years ago. Soon after the interview, Maxwell was transferred to a minimum security prison facility. Meanwhile, pressure for transparency continues to mount. Some Republican lawmakers and Trump supporters are calling for the full release of documents related to Epstein's network and connections. Just last month, the House Oversight Committee made public tens of thousands of pages from the Epstein case, including a handwritten note referencing Trump's name among a collection of birthday letters to Epstein. The former president has firmly denied writing that note or having any involvement in Epstein's crimes. As this long and controversial legal saga continues, one thing remains clear. The Epstein case still casts a deep and troubling shadow over powerful circles in politics, law, and society. If you found this video informative, don't forget to subscribe to InsightPulse for daily updates on breaking legal, political, and investigative stories from around the world. Your one click helps us bring more truth to light.